Uh, I'm preparing this salmon. I just add salt, pepper, and paprika powder. And then I put this one in the air fryer for 12 minutes. And into 200 Celsius, yeah, for 12 12 minutes in the air fryer, the salmon. Okay, we just wait for 12 minutes. It's quick, guys, when you having this air fryer in your home. And then I think your the flash, darling, the flash, you're covering the flash. Okay, for 12 minutes, guys, in the air fryer. It's quick and easy. Just wait. I introduced to you the air fryer, guys, because it's easy to clean, yeah. And just sit back, relax. 12 minutes for the salmon. I choose the Scottish salmon, guys. And that belong. Minutes for the air fryer. I have here the two drawer, but I choose these two, the one only. It's good when you have a two drawer of your air fryer, guys, because it's easy. You can have your vegetables here in a one drawer and your meat or fish. It's nearly there. Okay, guys, and that's it.